Green card holders. These three changes just took effect in July 2025. If you're a green card holder living in the US right now, you need to pay close attention. Because this summer, immigration policy just got sharper, faster, and riskier. We've got three confirmed, real-time changes affecting permanent residents, from how the government reviews your history, to what happens at the border, to your medical exam during green card processing. And no, this isn't rumor or speculation. These rules are active, now in July 2025. Let's break it all down clear, fast, and real. 1. Green card travel now has a warning label. The U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, has officially warned green card holders. If you've had any legal issues in the past, even minor ones, traveling outside the U.S. could get you flagged. Let's repeat that. Even minor offenses like an unpaid fine, old DUI, or unresolved tax issue could now delay or block your reentry. This is part of a broader 2025 enforcement wave under the Trump administration's immigration strategy. We're already seeing green card holders questioned at the airport for a past traffic court issues, a late tax filings, outdated addresses, foreign travel history. In some cases, lawful permanent residents have been sent to secondary inspection, detained for hours, or even referred to immigration court for removal. Yes, green card holders. So, if you're planning to travel soon, take these 3 steps before booking a flight. 1. Review your entire legal record, even old court cases or dismissed charges. 2. Get tax transcripts from the IRS. Make sure you're current. 3. Carry proof of ties to the U.S., pay stubs, lease, utility bills, W-2s. Because when you land at JFK, LAX, or any port of entry, CBP has access to everything. And under current policy, they're using it. Real story. One software engineer from New Jersey, legal permanent resident for 11 years, was stopped in May 2025 after a family trip to Turkey.
Why?
An unpaid traffic citation from 2019. It was dismissed in court, but never officially cleared in DMV records. She spent 7 hours in secondary inspection and was warned her green card could be referred for revocation. That's the new reality in 2025. 2. Birthright citizenship rule now varies by state. On June 27, 2025, the U.S. Supreme Court delivered a bombshell. It ruled that Trump's executive order limiting birthright citizenship can go into effect, at least in some states. So what does that mean? If a child is born in the U.S. to undocumented parents, they might not be granted automatic citizenship. This applies only to states not blocked by federal injunctions. Enforcement could begin after July 27, 2025 in several conservative states. It's the first time in modern U.S. history that citizenship at birth has become conditional based on where you live. That matters for green card holders too, especially if you're expecting a child this year. You plan to sponsor a spouse who's pregnant. You live in states like Texas, Florida, or Arizona. Some legal scholars are calling this patchwork citizenship, and it's causing chaos already. Immigration lawyers are now recommending green card holders. Check your state status on the injunction list. Request written legal advice if you plan to deliver a baby in 2025. Avoid risky assumptions about automatic benefits for US-born children. Why this is bigger than just babies. This isn't only about babies born in 2025. It's also about future derivative benefits, like sponsorships, school access, Medicaid eligibility, passport applications. If your child's citizenship is in question, everything else is too. This legal battle is expected to continue, but as of July 2025, the rule stands in non-blocked states. 3. Your medical exam could be useless if you're denied. Another real, active policy shift from USCIS that quietly took effect on June 11, 2025, and this one's sneaky. Until now, if you submitted your green card medical exam, Form I-693, it remained valid even if your case was denied or withdrawn, as long as it was under 2 years old. That's no longer the case. Now, if your I-485 adjustment of status case is denied, withdrawn, or closed, your medical exam becomes void. So if you reapply later, you'll need to book a new civil surgeon appointment, pay a fresh exam fee, typically $200 to $400, submit another Form I-693. This matters because many green card applicants delay reapplying for months, sometimes years. And until now, they could reuse the same medical, not anymore. Pro tip: don't file your I-485 unless your case is strong, fully documented, and legally prepared. Because if it fails, you lose more than just time. You lose your medical clearance. What you should do now. Let's sum it up in one checklist. Legal history. Check your DMV, IRS, and court records. Resolve everything now, even minor stuff. Border documents. Carry your green card, proof of U.S. address, job letter, and most recent tax return while traveling. If you're expecting a child, get legal advice based on your state. Don't assume birthright citizenship applies everywhere. Medical form awareness. Track your I-485 status closely. If it's withdrawn or denied, redo your I-693 immediately before reapplying. What's not true? There's a lot of misinformation going around right now, especially on TikTok, YouTube, and even WhatsApp. Let's be clear, these things are not real as of July 2025. No law has passed that allows early naturalization after 4 years for green card holders. Number 180-day rolling travel limit rule exists for reentry. There is no automatic requirement to prove employment field annually for EB2/EB3 green card holders. No law mandates 100% digital green card renewals starting late 2025. These are rumors, ignore them. Final words. Green card holders, 2025 is not the year to be casual about your immigration status. The rules are evolving. Enforcement is real. Small mistakes can cost you your future. You've waited too long to get this far. Don't risk it now. Stay prepared, stay informed, and always verify immigration updates with USCIS, Gov, or your attorney. If this helped you stay ahead of the system, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We're tracking every update, so you don't miss your shot at a secure future. See you in the next one.